So today I'm just going to do like a chatty get ready with me. You all seem to like my chatty videos, so I'm going to do another one. I'm basically just going to be updating you on a lot of different things that's going on in my life. So I'm just going to moisturise. I use the Neutrogena moisturiser. It's the Hydro Boost one. It's really good actually. My mirror's here, so if I'm looking there, that is why. At the moment my skin's like clearing up around my nose area because like a week or two ago it was like my nose area is really dry. Oh, I've put it all in my hair. Ew. So, life update at the moment. I'm doing alright. I have been filming a lot recently because I love it. And yeah, I'm a bit lost content wise, if I'm honest. Just because I have got to the point where I'm like, I enjoy making the content I'm making, but I'm not sure whether there is like other content that I might enjoy making more. I'm a bit in the middle of like what to do with my content. So if you do have any like requests or anything, please leave it in the description box. I would really appreciate it. I'm not on like a content block because I've got ideas, but it's just kind of like finding the people to help me film a lot of them, because I want to film videos that are quite unique but also need quite a few people to help me with. But like not everyone's free all the time, so yeah, I'm just putting some Vaseline on because I always do this at the beginning of my makeup because otherwise my lips get all crusty and that is not a fun time. I'm just getting my makeup. Right, I'm gonna tie my hair back, I think, just because it'll be easier. Actually no, I can't be bothered. I love making artsy videos because I love editing them. Editing is probably one of my favourite parts of YouTube. If you haven't noticed, I edit my videos quite like... It takes me ages to edit, and like when I say ages I mean like literally sometimes days. I want to make artsy videos that I'm passionate about, that I love, but at the same time I basically don't always have the time to continue to make all of the content I want to make. Because obviously I have other stuff going on. I don't always have 2 days to spare to film and edit a video, so I just kind of need a few ideas that you basically want me to film. So let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. Really appreciate it. I am planning on vlogging quite a bit of August, so yeah, let me know if you want that. This I think is going to go up either right at the end of July or the beginning of August, so yeah, if you're watching this in August, let me know that you'd like me to vlog this month, because I will be checking the comments. Okay, so I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and the concealer I used was the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. Basically, I'm just feeling a bit lost on my YouTube channel. I feel like I don't fit into like, I don't know, I feel like this community is, like, I love the community that we have here, but I feel like the wider community of YouTube is just, it's very, not competitive in the fact that I compare myself to other people, because I don't. But it's more in terms of people comparing my channel to someone else's. Not that that even bothers me, but it's just kind of like, it's kind of when people are like, oh, you're copying this person, or you're copying that person, because I've made like a similar video. I know it's kind of annoying because it's like I'm making the content I want to make, and I'm my own person, I'm not someone else on YouTube. So it's kind of annoying when people are like, you're copying this person, you're copying that person, when realistically I'm just being myself. Quite a large part of my channel was about studying, and as much as I like think it's important to work hard academically, it's also important to like live your life outside the academics, and I feel like people don't really realise that I have a life other than like school. So I'm trying to show that, and then it's like, you're copying this person, and it's like, I don't know, it's kind of like, I hate when people compare someone to someone else. Like, every single person on YouTube is unique and their own person. Whenever someone asks me like, how do you start your channel, like what should I do if I'm starting a channel, I always say be yourself, because I think the most important thing on YouTube is to be yourself and portray an accurate image of your life. And that doesn't mean that like share everything. With YouTube there's this massive like stereotype, like everyone has these perfect lives, and it's so not true. Everyone on YouTube has their struggles like everyone else. Just remember that when you're watching people's videos, there's a lot that people don't show. I don't show every aspect of my life, and I know a lot of my YouTube friends don't show every aspect of theirs. So just like respect people and don't think that people are a certain way because of what they post online. People post what they want others to see. I edit out a lot of my videos. I film for so long, I talk so much. Like, I've already been filming for like maybe like 15-20 minutes. I edit out a lot of it because I have insecurities myself. Wow, who would have guessed? But a lot of people kind of look past those insecurities and kind of overshadow them. Like, I don't know. I don't really know what I'm getting onto here, but I kind of feel like the YouTube community recently has been really negative. Not necessarily like our YouTube community, because I don't think that has, but it's kind of like just YouTube in general has just been a very kind of just negative place. I can't explain why. It's a very judgmental place. Like, if people see other people's videos and they're like, I don't like this, so no one can, and it's kind of a bit like, just because you don't like it don't mean no one else can. My content in the future, I want to vlog a lot more. I'm planning on weekly vlogging my college life. I'm not going to commit to every single week, but I might do like 1 or 2 weekly vlogs a month. I'm just going to say I will probably weekly vlog a large portion of my college life over the next 2 years. Let's move on from YouTube to like something else. So a thing I'm going to talk about is music, because I love music. I'm not here saying like I can sing, I can dance, you know, I can't sing. Recently I have been loving Ariana Grande's new songs. By the time this video goes out, I don't know whether she'll have another one up, but if she does, I'm sure it's equally as amazing. I am obsessed with God Is a Woman. Like, I've been playing it non-stop since it's been out and just obsessed with it. I'm going to be doing a lot more like Spotify music videos, because I think it's really important to share other people's music that don't necessarily get as much recognition as they should do. That's something I do want to bring into my channel. I want to like be sharing other creators' content, because as much as I love making my own content and doing that, there's a lot of people who make content that's incredible and it just doesn't get recognised. A lot of my YouTube friends make incredible content and it's not recognised, and it makes me really sad, because I'm like, you deserve so much more recognition than you're getting. I just want to give more recognition to the people that deserve it, and I think that's something that not a lot of people do nowadays. If someone does like a similar video to someone else, they usually don't credit them anymore. And then, to be honest, I just think that's really sad. Like, if you've got an idea from someone, like, credit them, because if they came up with it, then they deserve the recognition. The highlighter I'm using is the Kiko one. I just use my finger because I don't like it to be too harsh. I just realised I forgot to put primer on. Okay, so next thing I kind of want to just talk about briefly and just address is results day and like sharing my results. If you don't know, I've just done my GCSEs, and before my channel turned more lifestyle based, a lot of my channel was based on revision, etc. Not necessarily intentionally, but it was. So I'm just like broadening out my channel a bit. I will still do quite a few study videos here and there, but I'm broadening my channel out to my other interests too. The palette I'm using is the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. I use it in so many videos and it's great. I get so many questions daily saying, are you going to do a results day video, blah blah blah. I genuinely cannot answer that. I'm not sure whether I will. I'm going to see how I feel on the day. If I'm really upset with my results and a bit disappointed with them, I am not going to want to share them, because I want this space to be a space that I'm very proud of, and I don't want a video to go up that I'm not proud about. So if I'm proud of my results, I maybe will. Another thing is the fact that I feel like results day has become this big like expectation. Like, I made quite a few study with me's, which does not mean I'm a grade 9 student, but a lot of people kind of presumed that. So I might share my results, but I'm not too sure, and I most likely won't. So don't presume that that is coming. I'm not too sure whether it will be. I don't want me to upload a video and then for someone to compare their results to mine. That is not my intention. I don't want someone to feel upset because they didn't get the results they wanted to, and I don't want them to like compare their results to mine or other way around. I don't want to be someone who radiates negativity, and with results day videos they are mainly about like, look what I got, you know. Not all of them, I'm not saying that all of the videos on YouTube do that, because they don't, but I don't know, I just feel like results day videos are sometimes interpreted in the wrong way, and I don't want to come across like that. Okay, so as I just said, I'm a really shy person. I feel like I do come across quite calm and shy, but obviously everyone has different opinions. But I am a very, very shy person. Like, if you come up to me, I will most likely be the most awkward human in the world. But I am facing my fears of being shy as heck and anxious as heck, and I'm going to Summer in the City. I'll be there on the Sunday, so if you do see me, please come up and say hi. I would love to meet you, and like, don't be intimidated or anything. I know I've like seen YouTubers before and been like, I don't want to bother them, I don't want to go up to them, but don't feel like you're bothering me. If you want to come and say hi, I would love to say hello and meet you all. So if you are there on the Sunday and want to come and meet me, I will just be walking around the event all day. A lot of my YouTube friends are going to Summer in the City this year, so I might see a lot of them there, which is exciting. And yeah, I'm slightly nervous because I've never been to a YouTube event quite as big as that. So yeah, I've been to BeautyCon where I met a few of you, and I haven't been to any other YouTube events yet, so I'm really nervous for Sitsi, but I'm also really, really excited. Also, I do have a resting bitch face, so if I look like I'm angry or if I look like I'm a bit like, then I'm not angry, I'm probably just a bit overwhelmed, and I'll be fine. So if you see me and I'm like, I'm not annoyed, please just come over and say hey. I just have a resting bitch face, so yeah. Okay, another thing I do want to talk about is art, because I did art GCSE, I did art graphic communications. Yeah, I did an art study with me in like December time, and I kept doing like I kept incorporating art into like my study with me's for a little while. And a lot of you have been asking recently, like, can you do a video on your art book and like flick through it, etc. Well, my school rang my mum and everything and said that my exam work has been held by the exam board as an example to other students or something. So, I mean, I'm happy and I'm proud of that, but at the same time, it's kind of annoying because I won't be able to show you my exam work until next summer. Next summer. I'm going to do my best to try and get them to like send photos of it. I don't really know how it works, but hopefully I'll be able to show you before. I'm going to try my best. I won't have my exam book, but I will have my coursework book, which is not as good as my exam book. I did get higher on my exam than I did my coursework. If I'm happy with like my result and everything, I will do a like flip through of my coursework book in November, December time when I get it back, and then I will do a flip through of like my exam workbook in the summer next year when I get that back. But I don't like to put too much on my bottom lashes because it does like transfer really, really easily to my skin. Okay, mascara's done. Wow, I blend into my wall. How attractive does this look? Like, wow. I don't fill in my eyebrows because they are black and my hair is brown and like blondie. So I don't fill in my eyebrows because it would look weird. So for lips, I've been loving this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which is in the shade London. I've had this for literally ages. I need to get a new one. But yeah, it's really good. It's a really nice colour. And yeah. I'm done. I was going to straighten my hair, but I also can't be bothered, so we're just going to leave it like this. I just realised I forgot to add gold. Oh my gosh, man. How did I forget that? Okay. I'm using my MAC shadows. I literally have 3 in this entire thing. I just haven't got around to getting any more. So, yeah. I'm going to use this rose gold colour. I'm not too sure what it's called, but I will leave it in the description box when I work it out later. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this to like the middle of my lid. I usually do this before I put my mascara on, but I forgot. And my makeup is done. Okay, so I finished my makeup now. So this is the end of this Get Ready With Me. This is probably really long. I'm sorry if I rambled. Okay, I'll cut out as much as I possibly can to make it make sense, because I never make sense in my videos and I watch them back and I'm like, what did I say? I'm gonna end this video now. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.